not too cold today, just -3 degrees, and we have 29.44 inches of mercury and about 2 to 3 mile an hour wind, as you guys can see. Coin toss time. We have the Bergara Carbon versus the CZ457 LRP with the IBI barrel. So I'll just, heads will be Bergara, tails will be 457. Here we go. 457 LRP first up. Here we are at 200 yards. We're going to do rifle versus rifle. We already did our coin toss. The CZ's up first. 200 yards. And our parallax looks solid. Got all our ammo preloaded. All same lot stuff. And what I'm going to do here is we're going to do 2 20-shot groups with each, but I'm going to do 10 sighters up front first, just to make sure we're on target where we should be. So what I'm going to do is I'll dial up. I'll try 7-2, and I'm just going to shoot in front of the target just to make sure. We'll have 50 shots on our chronograph for each rifle. But yeah, here we go. Just going to see how close we are right now. So a little high but center. So I'll try, we'll do, I guess we'll see where we're at here. I'm going to aim on the top edge of the middle target. That was a little low. A little low again. Okay. So we gotta go up. Now we should be on center. I'll dial dead center, or aim for dead center. I think we're good. That's 5 shots. Maybe I'll just stop it here at 5. We'll do 45 on each. So now I'll shoot a 20-shot group. And that first group will be on the top left target. Here we go. Wow. Okay, and 10 more on the same hold. And there we have our first 20 shot group. Do one more. I'm gonna come right one. And same hold. Bottom left target. And we have 10 more shots, and then we switch rifles. Here we go. And that also looks pretty good. A lot of them went into the same hole. So now what we'll do is we'll stop this, we'll switch rifles, and we'll do 5 sighters and get back to it. Okay, we're still shooting the same SK, same lot number, and we'll go for dead center. Make sure we're on target. And we'll shoot 5. Make sure we're on target with 5. Last shot. I'm just gonna hold real high and see if it hits where I'm aiming. Very close. Okay, there's our 5 fouling shots. Now we're gonna do a 10 or a 20 shot group on the top right target. Here we go. There's 10. Got 10 more in this group. There's another 10. I'm going to dial up 1, and we'll move our impacts right 1. Okay. Bottom group. There's 1 hole in that one already, so we won't count that one. Here we go. And our last 10 shots. The last one went a little bit to the right, but there we have it. So let's go down there and grab our target to see which rifle is more accurate at 200 yards with SK Standard Plus. Here's our target from the B14 Carbon versus 457 LRP with the IBI barrel. So our first group with the LRP was 4.71 inches or 2 1/4 MOA. And our first group with the B14R, 5.5 inches or 2.65 MOA. Second group with the CZ457 was pretty good at 3.77 inches, which is it's 1.8 MOA. And if it wasn't for these flyers here, we would have been under an MOA because most of the shots were in this 2 inches. So these are 1 inch squares. So we did pretty good there. And then if we go over to the B14R, yeah, so we did 3.82, so we're pretty close to the same, but they're more dispersed. So there's kind of like 2 little groups here compared to this one where it was more focused right on the aim point. So this one had like a tiny group here and a tiny group up here, but still very close. And our averages, CZ457 LRP at 4 1/4 inches, and that's basically exactly 2 MOA. So that's still a little bigger than I'd hope, but this is just SK Standard Plus, so it's not like it's high-end ammo or anything. It's good mid-range stuff, but that's about all it is. Then our B14R, and that's basically a bone stock gun. We got 4.68 inches or 2 1/4 MOA. So basically there's a lot more money into the CZ457 LRP because we have an IBI barrel on it, Timney trigger, and well, the optics a little bit less expensive, but yeah, there's our results. So they both did not bad. This is 200 yards after all, and hitting an MOA at 200 yards is pretty rare, and these are 20 shot groups too, so that's like our good average cone of fire, and they did pretty good. Let's get back to the video. Well, there we have it, guys. Bergara versus CZ457 LRP with the IBI barrel. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love shooting past 100 yards. Anything past 100 yards is more fun. So 200 yards, and both these rifles shot very well for the majority of the ammo. This is still pretty cheap ammo. So you're getting the odd flyer here, but a good like 80% of them are real tight, and tight for 200 yards is pretty good. Everyone likes tight. So there you have it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you all next week. Take care. Bye for now.